Hi friends, welcome to Parul Ka Zaika. Today I am going to make Gond ke laddu. Click subscribe button and bell icon so that you get the instant notifications of my new upcoming videos. And to make this recipe, the ingredients will required are 200 grams of edible gum, 100 grams of coarsely grinded almonds, 100 grams of coarsely grinded cashew nuts, 100 grams of coarsely grinded dried dates, 100 grams of shredded dry coconut, 25 grams of poppy seeds, 20 grams of ginger powder, 20 grams of pipri mul powder, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 300 grams of jaggery and 250 grams of clarified butter. To start with, put in a pan 2 tablespoons of clarified butter and put edible gum in it and fry it on a medium flame. We need to fry it until it gets puffy. Now remove it in a plate and keep it for cooling down. Once it cools down, we'll grind it in a powder form. And now remove it in a bowl. Next, in a pan, put poppy seeds and dry roast it for 1 minute. Now remove this also in the same bowl. Next, in the same pan, put 1 spoon of clarified butter, coconut, almonds powder, cashew nuts powder, dry dates powder and roast it for 1 minute. Now remove this also in the same bowl. Now put pipri mul powder, ginger powder, cardamom powder, nutmeg powder and mix it well. Now in a pan, put 1 tablespoon of clarified butter, put jaggery in it and cook it on a medium flame until it melts. Add this also in a same bowl and mix well. Now keep it for cooling down. Once it cools down, we'll start making laddus. Likewise, we'll make all laddus. Healthy and delicious Gond laddus are ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then, stay foodie and stay healthy.